Okay, so here are some supplemental problems for section 9.2. We're supposed to figure out whether or not each number is prime or composite. Okay, so basically, prime number is something that can be factored, and number 8, it's prime. It's not prime. It's composite because of the fact that I can divide it. It's 2 and 4. I don't have to find the prime factorization. Just can it be factored? Yes, 8 can. Excuse me. Yes, 8 can be. So 8 is composite, meaning it's composed of other numbers, made up of other numbers. Whereas 10 is nope, just 29 and 1. Same thing as number 9. 11 is 11 and 1. So both those guys are prime. Okay. So yeah, the composite, you could break it down and factor into something else. You don't have to finish it, just know can it do it. Oh yeah, it does. It's composite. And then 9 and 10, you didn't have to do 9. 11 and 1 is the only thing that 11 can come out of. 29 and 1 is the only thing 29 can come out of, so it's prime. Okay. All right, next for 9.2. For which I'm just going to do 16 and 18. It was easier to print them off like that. So it says write the prime factorization of each numbers. Use exponents for repeated factors. So for 22, it's 2 and 11. That's the only thing I can divide it by is 2 and 11. So its prime factorization is 2 times 11. It doesn't matter which order you write it. If you write 11 times 2 or 2 times 11, it's fine. It just tends to be done smaller number first to biggest number. Number 18, you can divide this by 3. If you divide by 3, you get 35 and 3. 35 is 5 and 7. So for number 18, 105 is 3 times 5 times 7. We ignore 35 because it's not prime. So the only prime factors were 3, 5, and 7. Okay. Number 24. Or sorry, the next part here. 24 through 30 even. Again, it won't do 25 because it's odd. For 24, 15 factors pretty easily. It's just 3 and 5. So 15y is 3 times 5 times, well, how many y's are there? Just one. So a single y. 26, a little more complicated. You've got this negative 9 to break down. Negative 9 is negative 1 and 9, and 9 is 3 and 3. So it's negative 1 times 3 twice, which we would say then is 3 squared. And then p to the fourth is p times p times p times p. Okay. Or we could say for this, which I think actually now that I'm looking at this, I think this is what we'd actually do. Yeah. We don't write as 3 squared, we just do negative 1, 3, 3, p, 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 p. Number 28. 18 is 9 and 2, and 9 is 3 and 3. So you have 2, a 3, and a 3, and then an A and a B. Okay, so there's number 28. Okay. Then number 30, 24 is 2 and 12, which is 2 and 6, which is 2 and 3. And we look at just the non-prime numbers. So 2, 2, 2, and 3. So it's 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. But then there are two f's, so it's times f times a single g. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times f times g. Okay. To be honest, that's really most of the problems in homework. So, yeah.